Hassan from Nairobi, Kenya, and this is the day before the Ramadan starts. Basically, or technically, the Ramadan starts tonight, but the fasting starts tomorrow. Anyway, I think I know, but you never know if you really know. Cryptic, yeah. All right. Bottom line is, excuse me, I will be making 30 videos once a day, which I will be posting on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Not TikTok. I am not really a fan of TikTok. Anyway, I will be posting 30 videos, one per day, maybe 5 minutes or so, and every day I will give a tip on how to be unplugged. And speaking of unplugged, these videos will be unplugged and unscripted. That means that I will be giving you some tips on how to improve your understanding of what's really going on in the world. And each tip will be coming from a different source. So that means that I will not only give you the tip, I will tell you the source so you can go deeper into that source. And hopefully I can end with 30 sources, or at least 30 tips. Maybe we'll see if there are really 30 sources that you can use, excuse me, you can use to actually improve your understanding and free your mind from this systemic indoctrination. All right, because today people, they make their choices, they think it's freely, but it's really based on social media, on mass media, on advertising, because all of those people are very deep embedded in psychology and know exactly what triggers you to do something. So they will make sure that they will send you, when you go on social media and you see an ad, that ad is designed for you as an individual based on their algorithms of calculating what attracts your attention, what stimulates you to do this and that. So maybe you could say maybe this is the first tip technically. Anyway, I will be talking about Joe Rogan, the good and the bad. I will be talking about Jordan Peterson, the great psychologist who's really opening a lot of people's minds, and some of those classical books and maybe more modern books, including Jordan Peterson's, of course. So you can really have a chance to decide for yourself what you want to do with your life. It's a bit chilly here in Kenya. I'm on the 6th floor. So we have a nice view, but we also have the wind coming unstopped because there's no tall buildings around us. So anyway, so I hope you will have a look and either of my social media accounts, whether it's YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook, and get something. Most importantly, feel free to share it, because the more people who get this understanding, the better, and maybe by sharing you can help other people and also make my posts more easily distributed during this Ramadan. So for those who are going to fast, may Allah make it easy for you to fast and give you the best rewards and the best forgiveness, and also the best clarity, because this is about clarity, and also it's about purging all the bad stuff. Anyway, I'll see you around.